After 20 years of suffocating sleep, a tiny nasal stent has saved Mark Pachaz's sanity.
When I don't wear that device, those devices, I'll wake myself up snoring and I'll say, what's that? What's that?
The 49-year-old suffers obstructive sleep apnea. He uses a mouthguard-like mandibular splint to keep his mouth open in conjunction with the mute nasal device. Placed inside the nostrils, it holds the airways open.
As soon as you put it in, it's like this explosion of air going through your nose. Also help reduce other health issues such as gastric reflux. So I think I was snoring that much that I was that suction was sucking up the stomach acids.
But the mute may not silence all snorers.
Mute is something that we would use for someone who's a nasal obstructive person. So a simple snorer, they might have congestion, they might have a nasal deviation.
The over-the-counter treatment can be used on its own or in addition to a dental device or respiratory CPAP machine. Available at select pharmacies and online for $30 for a monthly supply. It's claimed the Melbourne-based technology has quietened Britain's loudest snorer. Jenny Chapman previously recorded a deafening 111 decibels, slightly louder than a low-flying jet. Doctors recommend undergoing a proper diagnosis to determine the cause of a person's snoring. Depending on the severity, sometimes weight loss, quitting smoking and reducing food and alcohol intake before bed can lower the nightly volume.
Better quality sleep leads to better quality life, I think.
Jade Vincent, 9 News.